Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so I don't have any new palettes right now, but one that I wanted to revisit that is very, very new, or newer, is the Wicked Widow The Crow palette. I absolutely love this palette. I've only gotten a chance to use it once since I bought it, so I just thought, you know what, today is the perfect day. Let's dip back into this. Let's do, you know, 2 more looks and just see what we come up with. So, you guys, how are y'all doing? How is your summer going? Like, I think the majority of people have just been like, it's really hot, and they're not too much of a fan. I feel like there are places though where it doesn't get as hot in the summer. I would love to be able to find one of those places and be able to move there, because this just is not doing it for me, and it hasn't for some time. All right, let's start with, I just want to go with like a dark shade. Let's start with the shade Draven. We'll do 2 different looks. And of course they're going to be dark, smoky, and beautiful. So I'm just going to start dipping this into the, just stamping it, kind of. This isn't really like my stamper brush I would normally use, but I grabbed it, so that's what we're going to do. I'm also feeling a little further away from my table than I usually am. Things in my house just seem to shift, and it doesn't really make any sense. All right, that's looking good. Also, I know I've mentioned before, like, but for some reason, like, my mirror is like extra dirty and just really needs to be washed. Like, I'm having trouble like seeing what I'm doing. All right. All right, so I think we have a good little base there. Do I want to, I'm just trying to figure out, like, do I want to buff it out with something, or do I just want to leave it? Maybe I'll do this shade as like the crease-ish, smokier shade, and then do like different shimmers. Let's go with that idea and see what happens. Because I know last time I used the red, so I'm trying to like not use the same shades that I used in the first time I used this video. So since that's like really beautiful and smoky, let's just take the glitter glue and let's go in with a shimmer shade, because I just feel like that's the next logical step here. But then the question is, which one do I want to use? Because, so last time I used Visions, which is this one right here, which is like beautiful and I loved it. And Sarah, which is the shade right here, and also freaking beautiful. But let's just swatch the other ones. This one is Angels. Oh man, these are gonna be good. All right, so that is Angels. Ooh, that's all right. Devil's Night, which is right here. Guys, these are so good. And then Vengeance, which is this one right here. I'm trying to, all right, Vengeance. Oh man, that might be the winner. And then Gabriel, which is right here. You guys, these are so good. So good. All right, there we go. So, I think we're gonna go with Vengeance, because holy crap, that was just amazing. I mean, they're all amazing, but there was just something about Vengeance that just got me. Oh man, yes, that's the shade. Like, there's so many different like glitter shades in this, or like shimmers, pinpoints, whatever you would call them. Holy crap, that is just so beautiful. That is just freaking gorgeous. That is phenomenal. Okay, now for the lower lash line. Let's go in with the shade Revenge right there. Sorry, there's just a real, I guess that's an airplane. That's just a really strange noise. And for the lower inner corner highlight, let's do the shade Angels because it's just really, really pretty. That is gorgeous. I kind of want to take the shade Angels and just put it like in the center of my lid just for a little extra pop. Oh yeah. Oh man, that is so pretty. Okay. Yes, I love that. Now let's get started on the other eye. I think this is the same brush I used. I am like, it just, I don't know, my brushes just do this weird thing where they like, I have a little skull cup thing that they go in and they just somehow just end up like, I'll put it right at the very front, like closest to me, and it ends up like somewhere way back there, and I don't get it. All right, again, just going with the shade Draven. That's just going to be the crease slash smoky shade. Just to kind of get this look started. And I love that this is like a these are like super simple looks with just a couple shades, but they're so, so beautiful. All right. Now I'm going to go in with that glitter glue. Man, I'm like sweating like crazy. It is just, there's just no getting away from the heat once it starts. It does not stop. Okay, now I have to figure out what do I want to go in with next. I'm kind of feeling Devil's Night, which is this one right here. Just absolutely beautiful, shimmery, sparkly, just gorgeous, gorgeous. You guys, like, these shimmers are like no joke. They are absolutely phenomenal. Okay. Now, I'm just going with that same shade Angels and put that in the center of the lid just because it's so pretty. I just absolutely adore it. And it looks so amazing with these other shimmers. Like, just absolutely gorgeous. It's like the perfect little accent to them. Alright, now for the lower lash line. That shade Revenge again. And then for the lower inner corner highlight, it's going to be that shade Angels, which again is that really, really pretty shade right there. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go do my mascara. I think my husband might be taking a shower, so it's gonna be a while before I can do my bangs, but I'll try not to mess up everything until I get to that point, and then I will hopefully be back soon. All right, you guys, I am back. It is hot. I am sweaty. My bangs are just like gluing to my forehead because I'm so sweaty. I do have the Crow collection, so I'm just going with the highlighter with the shade Eternally Yours right here. Just do a little highlight. We'll go in with Rick and Morty to kind of hopefully cool my butt off because dang, 'tis balmy. More like hotter than hell, but you know, whatever. It's just really, really hot. I'm just not a fan. All right. Someone please take me out of the Midwest. Like, get me to Washington, Alaska, whatever. Don't even care. Just get me out of here. It's so hot. All right, going with my Rick and Morty. Just gonna like douse myself in this because like the setting spray just, I don't know what it is, but it feels so much cooler than my other setting sprays. It just feels so good on the skin. My goodness. All right, I feel like a new woman now. Okay, you guys, so really quick before I forget, the lips. If I would have been thinking, I would have done one of the Crow lipsticks, but I did my lips beforehand. So I used the e.l.f. Love Triangle Lip Filler Liner in the shade Red Rouge right here. Don't know how well you'll be able to see that, but that's what that is. And then the lipstick. Absolutely am in love with these lipsticks. It's the Essence the Slim Stick long lasting lipstick in the shade Hot Chili. These are phenomenal. I think they're like $4.99. Amazing. All right, and then obviously the palette was the Crow palette by Wicked Widow Beauty. This palette is absolutely phenomenal. If you love this color story, if you're a Crow fan, I highly, just look at those. I hope that's showing off the, just the throw, the shimmers and everything. You guys, this is just amazing, amazing. So, before I forget, here are the final looks, and please excuse the bangs. It's just so hot. I just cannot do it. I can't do anything with them. It is just, it's that hot here. All right, you guys. So these are the final looks. Beautiful, fun. I love them. Hope y'all are doing well. I hope you are staying as cool as can be. This heat is dangerous, so please just drink your water, stay hydrated, try and stay out of it as much as you can. I know we pretty much don't really do much. We did go watch fireworks last weekend, but we had like the little battery powered fans with us and just trying to stay cool, and they were late at night, so it wasn't as bad, but still like one of the nights it was pretty warm. So yeah, you guys, that is it. I just hope that you remember that you are beautiful, you are loved, you're amazing. Thank you for all the love and the support that you show me in my channel. I can't thank you enough. And just have a wonderful morning, day, night, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I'll see y'all in the next one.